Welcome to this channel. You only need to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be getting those thousands of dollars airdrops daily. Not a Telegram tap bot airdrops that flops. These are DEPIN projects, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, and they cost no money to farm, so you don't want to miss out on this, because if you look it up, their rewards are impressive. Keep clicking. Airdrops the bag. This is Oasis AI. Follow my referral link to the site to sign up. It'll recommend you sign up with email and verify your email. When you're in the dashboard, it'll automatically take you to download section to download the app or extension, which will run on your computer or phone for your daily points and rewards. If you're using mobile phone, download Mises browser, which will allow you to add extensions. After that, come to credits to perform task and earn more points, and make sure to perform all the task. Link your socials, navigate to security and settings, and claim your rewards for the task when you click on verification in the credit section.